So do we have any Louis Vuitton fans out there? You know, not everything can be made out of vinyl, as you just seen. Sometimes you have to use film. Here is the film we're going to carve. We're going to make the negatives out of these films. Okay, we're going to burn the film with a UV light. Here's the UV light. See how it turns blue? And here is the film we're going to use. Alright, I had to cover all the little holes you saw here with this rag so the water doesn't squirt out with the blue resin. Okay, here we are at the washing. And right now, basically, I'm just waiting for the water to get hot. And as soon as the water's hot, I'll wash the negative, the film. Here it is in the dryer. The drying. Okay, here they are. They're already taped and capped and ready for blasting. This is a wire wheel. See? Look at that. Please don't make me look into the skies for subscribers. Please hit that thumbs up and subscribe and write a comment or two, please.